Before this video starts, please do hit that subscribe button for my main channel, because this data shows that many people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Hello there, this is an in-depth look into the technological features of this camcorder, Sony HDR-CX450. Before I show you the technological features, I'll show the outside of the camera first. The left side of the camera, 9.2 megapixel still image recording. Bottom of the camera, that's the tripod mount. The front of it, this is the 5.1 channel surround microphone. The right side of it, that's the strap so you can record, take photos and record steadily. This is the USB cable for charging. This one has Wi-Fi feature on it. The back of the camera, this is the DC input, which I believe this is for charging. Record button, external battery. On top, this is to take photos, zooming in and out, 60 times zoom. This is the power button, access your gallery to cancel your voice. So when you interview someone, you don't hear your voice from when you're recording a person's interview. There's two ports, one for microphone and the other for headphone. I believe this is for your microphone, HDMI port and SD card, micro SD card slot. Now let's take an in-depth look into this camera. First, let's turn on the camera. So the recording screen, you can tilt the screen forwards if you want to make a selfie. You can see me recording this video on my previous format, which is the Sony HDR-CX450. Let's tilt it back. On the recording screen on the top right is your battery life, video recording duration, how much memory is left, the video format filmed in. It's filmed in 50i full HD. On the bottom right, we are in video mode. There's the diagram for the 5.1 channel microphone, intelligent auto, modes, movie. Let's exit movie, go into photo, time-lapse capture. Time-lapse capture is not taking video time-lapse. This is taking a group of photos in a set maximum number of shots in intervals. Let's exit time-lapse capture and go back to movie. On the left, menu, which we'll go into later, steady shot, picture effects. I will show you one by one. Let's exit picture effects. Dual recording here allows you to record videos in smaller video sizes, and you can share it conveniently. Oh, and this is the icon for accessing the gallery, which we won't access because I've got personal photos and videos which I don't want to show you. On to taking photos and videos. It's good at taking good quality photos, but it's not good at taking the little details like text in the photos. If I want to take a picture of a recipe, it can't focus on the text. For videos, it can take excellent quality videos. Now let's go into the menu. Camera mic, image quality and size. Wireless. This camera has Wi-Fi, so for example you can transfer images and videos from this camcorder to your smartphone, and there's two other features like controlled your smartphone, multi-camera controls, etc. Exit wireless. Playback function is the gallery which we access. Edit copy. I don't know what that menu is. Also on this camera there's a feature called Highlight Movie Maker where you can make a movie out of a group of photos that you take on the same day and with music in the background. I won't be using that feature at all because I've got my own video editing software. Let's go into setup now. Battery info. Initialize allows you to restore back to factory settings. Version, as you can see. Demo mode. Let's turn it on. Show you demo mode for the sake of it. I think that's it for the features of this camera. This is the end of the video now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you're alerted whenever I upload a new video in the future.